Hey, what's going on, guys? Xbox Dude 41 here, and today I'm bringing you the second video in my quick tips for Windows PC series. This one, I believe, works on all Windows operating systems as well as Macs, I believe. But I don't have a Mac, so I'm not going to be able to demonstrate on the Mac. But for all Windows versions, as far as I know, they are the exact same setup. It just may look a little different because of the operating system. But anyway, today's video, as you can see in the title, is how to use your Android device to give you a Wi-Fi signal via USB. So this is not 3G tethering, this is Wi-Fi tethering. So we're going to actually go over to our Android device and do its stuff first. So you're going to go to the Play Store, and you're going to download an app called PDA Net Plus. If you search PDNET, all one word, no spaces, no capitals, it should be the first one. It'll still say PDA Net Plus. You're going to install it, and believe it or not, this is not a big, it's not a big file, so it takes not a long time to download, and it is not a power hog, believe it or not, either. I don't know why my touchscreen's not working today. There we go. So now that it is installed, we're going to wait for the open button, and we're going to open it up. And you can see activate USB tether. That's one we're going to be using. You can use Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi hotspot to act like a secondary hotspot. I used that a couple times. I remember on the edge of my router, I would use this just to get a signal when I go further. It's like a kind of what do you call it? What's the name of it? Signal extender. I don't know the exact word, but I did find that pretty useful. So, but for our purposes today, since I'll do both of them, I'm not going to do Bluetooth because my computer does not have Bluetooth, but I will do the Wi-Fi hotspot as well. But if your computer does not have a built-in or working wireless card, you're going to need one of these things. Simple wireless card plugs into your computer. A lot of the old computers like mine, you can see right here, plugs in right there. I'm actually going to be building a computer soon, and I'm going to see if this actually fits in, because the one that I'm buying does not include a wireless card. So I'm going to see if this actually fits into a port, and I will make a reference to this video, in that video, about this card, and I think I'll put a little clip in from this video in the computer build series, referring back to this once you remember it. Okay, we're going to start with the one if you do not have that, and that's USB tether. So, to start it, you're going to simply press it for the first time, and first time setup, it'll give you this. Now, if you do not have internet on your PC, which I'm assuming you don't, you're going to press yes, let me download. And the way this file is configured, you can actually download the Windows version, and you'll see in the top bar, it's actually downloading it. So we're just going to swipe down, and we can see PDA.net.exe. So we can actually, so we're just going to stay in here for a second. I'm going to go over here. I have a USB hub, so I only have 2 USB ports, and they're not even USB 2.0, which kind of stinks. Then we're going to turn it on, or plug it in your case, probably. Now, if you do not have USB debugging connected, and working and enabled, the app will prompt you to do it before you do anything else. It'll bring you to the menu. So I'm not going to show you how to do that. What you will need to do is, for the first time, connect storage to PC when you get this screen. Press OK. I'm going to go over to our computer, and if everything worked fine, you should go to My Computer, or Windows 7 Computer, Windows 8, I don't even know because that's way too confusing for me to use. Hate Windows 8, I'm sorry. For me, in my case, it's removable disk F, and if it would open, I don't know why. Oh, it's auto playing, of course. I'm going to let that auto play, and we're going to go down to open folder, and you can see all your files. We're going to go to one that says download, and if you do not know download, I think it's Control F. We're going to search. Yes, Control, and you can search all files and folders, and you can search download. I'm using one hand to do it, so I'm going to go pretty slow. You can search download, and it's not download, it's download. Make sure you're in your tablets or devices drive, you can search it. And it'll bring you up a couple of them. And it should be this one right here, download. We actually stop the search right here, we don't need any more. And we can open this up. Oh, well, okay, sorry. Open this up. And we're going to look for the PDNet exe file. So I don't know why this is going slow. I'm just going from the normal one. It shouldn't be too hard to find on the normal menu. See, where is mine? Right here. Open that up, and you'll see a bunch of stuff in here. And I'm just going to highlight it right there. That's what you're looking for. You're going to Control-C or Control-X to cut it. For me, I'm going to do Control-C in case I need to come back to it, and I need to re-download it. I'm going to paste it on your desktop. I recommend doing it on the desktop just because it's a lot easier to access. Once it's already installed, you can remove the exe file, no problem. Ooh, I didn't copy it. Shoot. I need to get a new computer. I don't know why this is not opening. Always had it happen to me. Download PDNet, Control-C, paste, there we go. So now you can see the exe file has appeared on my desktop right there, and we're just going to launch it. Again, you don't need any connection right now. For this is all via USB in your Android device. So we're just going to enter the setup wizard. Click I agree. Next, next. You want to install all that stuff, just keep on clicking next. It won't give you any ads or anything. And we're going to let this download. And once it's downloaded, it takes a little bit of time to download. I'm going to talk to you about how this is useful. Like I said before, if your computer does not have a working wireless card, you can use this as supplement for that. You can use it if your wireless is not so good on your computer just doesn't really handle wireless so well. If you're like me where you need a wireless card and you don't have one, although I do right there, I'm going to show you that in a second. And that's really the USB one. You can use it as a tether to your computer. I guess if you're on the edge of the Wi-Fi and your computer doesn't pick it up because of interference on the case. Although I doubt that's going to happen because most wireless cards and laptops don't really have an effect. It's the desktops you want to worry about. Those have terrible wireless, if they do have wireless. And for the Wi-Fi hotspot, if you are on the edge of your router, or modem or gateway, whatever you want to call it, and your Android device has barely any signal, you can use it as a network extender, or even if you do have plenty of signal. Like I have 3 bars in my room, you can see right there. Kind of hard to see. But I have 3 bars. I can use this as an extender because my mom does not get any signal in her room for her iPad. So she can use that. I find that pretty useful. So anyway, we're gonna, since we don't have Bluetooth on this computer, we're just going to make sure we're on USB mode. This one is selected, and this one is selected. Do not select the bottom one, because you will want that checked. I promise you. You can finish this, and as long as you kept that, on your Android device, as long as you kept the tether signal, connected, and checked while you were doing this, it will automatically connect you, and you can now connect to the internet. And you can check to make sure you are connected by that little thing right there, that phone. If you see a little globe next to it, you know you're connected. And you can go on the internet and surf the web. And what's really pretty cool about this is that it'll actually show you how much data you're using. As you can see, 1K on the left, that's how much I've uploaded, and 59K is how much I've downloaded. K standing for kilobytes if you didn't know that. Okay, now you can do that. And now if you do not have it connected anymore, which I'm going to disconnect completely everything from my disconnect storage, turn off my USB, turn everything off, and just start from bare scratch. And I don't know what that signal is right there. Alright, good, it's gone. So now you can see that everything is disconnected, and now your signal shows that if you have no USB connected. To restart it, you're going to go over here, turn your USB on or plug it in, depending what you use, and you will connect your storage. Oh, sorry. Connect your storage. You only need to connect your storage because it might not work if you do not have it connected. But now once everything's connected and you do not have the app running, your phone signal will now turn black instead of having X on it. That means that your computer has recognized the phone or tablet, whatever you're using, and you're ready to connect. So to connect, of course, you're going to find PDA net on your thing, turn USB tether on, and it will start to connect you automatically. And right away you should have an internet connection. Oh, I forgot one thing. You will not have a connection unless you click the Wi-Fi, not the Wi-Fi, the phone signal, right click, and let us focus for a second, I can't get any closer. Connect internet USB. Now you're connected, you can do whatever you want. So now I'm going to show you if you want to use this as a Wi-Fi extender, and everything does work. What you can do is you can just disable USB tether. And what you can do now is, since I need to put a wireless card in, you can actually disconnect your USB. You no longer need that. I'm just going to take that out too, because I don't need it. Take my wireless card, if you don't have a built-in one, and slide that right in. And again, this is just for me. This is a really old computer, so back in those days you needed to have a wireless card as an extender, and usually it plugs into a 3.5-inch floppy slot. You can see right there, that is a floppy slot. But anyway, now you should have internet connection anyway. But if you do not have internet connection, I'm actually going to disconnect from you. You can give me a second. I'm actually going to put this down. Now I'm going to turn the video off for a second because I don't want you to see the password for the Wi-Fi and all that stuff. So I'll be right back once I get everything disconnected. Okay guys, I'm back, and unfortunately I did not find, I did find out how to do it, but it wasn't working for me, so unfortunately I won't be able to show you that because of course it's not working. But again, I got the majority in it. The main point of the video was just through the USB, but I found that at a later point. So I hope you didn't really care about the Wi-Fi one. I'm sure you can find it out yourself. For me, it's just not working probably because I have an older tablet. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did enjoy it and found it useful. Subscribe for future videos. I'll be posting a lot more once summer comes, and since it's May 25th right now, summer, for me at least, when it starts, is not so far away. And I should have a brand new gaming PC since I can finally start. Sorry, I went too fast on that, which means I keep going too fast. Which means I can finally start putting new gaming videos up, which I can finally get back to. Since my old computer busted, and now I got this new one, which not really is new, it's kind of old, you can tell. But it just can't support it. But anyway, I'll be getting that soon. Like I said before, subscribe for future videos, like if you found it helpful, and if you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave it in the comment box below. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Usually it's on the same day, so pretty fast, at least what I would think. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good day.